Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix cellular data or mobile data not working in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, to solve this problem, restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, click on your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now slide this icon to right to restart your iPhone, and after restarting the iPhone, your mobile data or cellular data will start working properly. And if it's still not working properly, then scroll down and open control center, and from here turn on airplane mode and again turn it off. Do it 2 to 3 times, turn on and turn off aeroplane modes, and after turning off aeroplane mode, your mobile data or cellular data will start working properly. And if it's not working, then reinstall SIM in your iPhone. After reinstalling the SIM, if your mobile data or cellular data still not working, then go to settings and correct your date and time. So to correct the date and time, click on general and here click on date and time, and from here turn on set automatically, and it will automatically correct your date and time. So after correcting the date and time, your mobile data or cellular data will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then reset your phone network setting. So to reset network setting, open settings and then click on general, and then scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset, and here from the pop-up menu click on reset network settings. Now to reset network settings, enter your lock screen passcode and again click on reset network settings to confirm. So after resetting your network settings, update your iOS to latest version. So to update iOS to latest version, open settings and then click on general. Now here click on software updates, and from here update your iOS version to latest version. So after updating the iOS version to latest version, then your cellular data or mobile data will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.